Welcome to CompuScholar's Professional Development webinar for September 2024. Today we're going to talk about completing or updating an existing AP course audit. So this webinar will be of special interest to our AP CSP and AP CSA teachers. First, we're going to talk about why and how you can update an existing course audit. And then for those of you that have never done it before, we'll walk you through completing a brand new course audit. And then we'll wrap up with a reminder of some additional professional learning that you can get from CompuScholar for AP CSP and AP CSA teachers. So those of you that have taught either AP CSP or AP CSA before may have already completed the course audit in earlier years and selected a different curriculum provider. So perhaps you used an earlier curriculum in previous years and you have newly adopted CompuScholar this year, and we're very grateful for your adoption. If that is the case, we highly encourage you to ask your AP coordinator to update your course audit registration and make sure that CompuScholar is selected as your endorsed provider. This is unfortunately something that you can't do yourself, as far as we know, through the College Board's website, but it is something that your AP coordinator can do for you. And the reason for that is very important, in that the College Board monitors all of their endorsed providers like CompuScholar, and they do have minimum growth and usage targets for their endorsed providers. So it's super important for us that you make sure to let the College Board know that you're using the CompuScholar textbook and CompuScholar as the endorsed provider. And that way we can continue to maintain our endorsement and you can continue to reap the benefits of that endorsement in subsequent years. Now, if you're not sure how your current course audit is set up, we'll flip over to the College Board website and I'll show you how to review the current audit that you have. So here at the College Board's website, we'll go ahead and sign in with an existing account. And I've skipped over the details of that login. And after you log in, you'll reach the main dashboard here with plenty of options. And you'll want to click on the AP Pre-AP Course Audit link. Now from this page, you'll see a listing of all your current course audits. And so you should see one either for AP Computer Science A or AP Computer Science Principles. And what you want to check is two things. First, if you hover over your approved textbook, you should see it's an endorsed provider resource with CompuScholar there. So if you see any other textbook, that's an indication that an update should be made. And second, you can click on View Authorized Document. You can see the approved syllabus number here. Let's click on this document link. And what you should get is CompuScholar's obvious syllabus document. This is the same syllabus that's pinned to the top of each of the courses for either AP CSA or AP CSP. So again, if either one of these things is not correct within your existing course audit, please ask your AP coordinator for help getting that updated and make the appropriate CompuScholar selections. Okay, so let's turn our attention to completing a new course audit. And so this is for teachers maybe that have never been AP teachers before, or you've not yet completed your first course audit with the College Board. This is a required step by the College Board for all AP teachers. And you must first set up your College Board teacher account. We're not going to cover that, but setting up a new account is pretty straightforward at the College Board's website. So we're going to focus on the steps that you would take after you have your teacher account created. And there's two big reasons for completing the course audit. First, once you are an audited teacher, you will have additional access to secured areas on the College Board's website. That includes all sorts of great resources with AP Classroom, as well as other secure documents and practice exams and so forth. And second is that for your school to list the course as an AP course on a student's transcript, the course must be taught by a certified or course audited teacher. And so these are two very good reasons why you want to make sure that you're completing the course audit with the College Board, whether you're teaching 1 student or 100 students in an AP classroom. All right, so back on the College Board's website, if you don't have an existing course audit that's completed, we'll show you how to complete that audit process. And we'll go ahead and do that for AP Computer Science Principles, since we've already done it here for AP Computer Science A. Let's click on Add Course. And we'll pick Computer Science Principles. And then Add Course. Okay. And once that's done, you'll see a new block for the AP subject you selected. And of course, the initial submission is not complete. You can skip over the syllabus development guide. You don't need to create your own syllabus. And let's complete the course audit form. The course audit form has quite a few checkboxes, so you want to carefully read through all these agreements and check the I agree box next to each one. And once you check all those boxes and you get towards the bottom, you want to select your textbook. So you want to select the CompuScholar textbook. So there's quite a few endorsed providers. We'll just start typing CompuScholar, C-O-M-P-U, in the top search bar. And then you want the AP endorsed provider resource CompuScholar for computer science principles. So once you've selected that, you should see CompuScholar here under your textbook selection. And then go ahead and enter your initials and hit submit for the course audit form. Once you get back to the main page, you can see in your new course audit, again, we're not complete, but your textbook is now approved because CompuScholar is an endorsed provider, so that's automatically approved. And the last step is to submit your course document, which is your approved syllabus. Let's scroll down, and the submission type you want to select is adopt a sample syllabus or endorsed provider syllabus. So CompuScholar is an endorsed provider, so this is the link you want to choose off here to the right. And simply scroll down and find the CompuScholar sample syllabus and hit the little blue down arrow. This is the preview of the syllabus document that we've created that's already been approved by the College Board. And if you go down to the bottom right, you'll see this yellow Submit and Download button. Just click on that button. This will provide a download of the syllabus itself. And of course, you already have that syllabus because it's pinned to the top of the CompuScholar course that you're currently using. And if you go back to the main page and take a look at your new audit block, you can see you now have a submitted document. This is the CompuScholar syllabus number, and it is waiting for review. And because CompuScholar is an endorsed provider, this is pretty much a quick step. So the College Board typically the same day will approve your request. And once that happens, you'll see the authorized here, and then you'll be able to use all of the AP Classroom resources and so forth, as well as having access to the secure documents that the College Board provides. So that's it in terms of the course audit. It's a process of just a few minutes to get it done. And if you have any questions, please let us know. The last thing that we want to point out is that CompuScholar does have some additional professional learning for AP-CSP and AP-CSA teachers. Our professional learning is endorsed by the College Board, so they've reviewed the material and have approved it for your use. As part of this professional learning, you'll get a full walkthrough of the course and exam description, as well as all the skills and requirements that students will need to pass the AP exam. And we'll show you how that matches into the CompuScholar material that you've selected. This professional learning does also have a walkthrough of the course audit process, similar to what we've just demonstrated. If you'd like to take advantage of this professional learning, we'll go over here to our main website at CompuScholar.com. We'll click on For Classrooms, and then Professional Development, and you can see the registration links here. So if you want to register for AP Computer Science Principles, for example, we'll just go to this page. You can take a look at the syllabus for the professional learning itself if you'd like, and then register when you're ready. And all of this professional learning is online. It's self-study and self-paced, and both for AP-CSP and AP-CSA, we estimate it'll take about 10 or 11 hours for you to complete the professional learning, and that's something you can do at your own convenience from home. Thanks for watching this webinar. As always, we appreciate your time, and we invite your questions by phone or through our website.